Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dell Do-It-Yourself YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a delicious and refreshing beverage, Langer's Ruby Red Grapefruit Juice Cocktail from Concentrate. If you're a fan of grapefruit juice, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in. Let's start by taking a look at the packaging. The Langer's Ruby Red Grapefruit Juice Cocktail comes in the vibrant and eye-catching bottle. The Ruby Red label promises a delightful flavor experience, and I can't wait to try it out. Alright, it's time to taste this juice cocktail. The first thing that hits me is that the burst of citrusy goodness. The flavor is tangy, sweet, and has that distinctive grapefruit zing. It's not overly sweet, which I appreciate, and it's incredibly refreshing. Perfect for a hot summer day or any time you're craving a citrusy pick-me-up. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. This juice cocktail is made from concentrate and contains 100% juice. It's also fortified with vitamin C, which is a nice bonus for your daily dose of nutrients. Plus, there are no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. One of the great things about this juice is its versatility. You can enjoy it as it is, pour it over ice for a chilled experience, or even use it as a mixer for cocktails. It adds wonderful citrus twist to your favorite beverages. The bottle itself is not only visually appealing, but also practical. It's easy to hold, pour, reseal, which means you can keep it fresh in the fridge for a while. Plus, the size of the bottle is just right for a few servings without taking up too much space. So, what's the verdict on Langer's Ruby Red Grapefruit Juice Cocktail from Concentrate? Well, if you're a grapefruit juice enthusiast like me, this one is definitely worth trying. Bursting with flavors, versatile, and made with quality ingredients. You can find Langer's Ruby Red Grapefruit Juice Cocktail at most grocery stores or online retailers. I'll leave a link in the description below for your convenience. This wraps up our review of Langer's Ruby Red Grapefruit Juice Cocktail. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more reviews of delicious products like this one. Have you tried this juice before? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.